This is an Alberta emergency alert. In the area of Sunchild and EAS First Nations, RCMP have issued a dangerous person alert. This alert is in effect for the entire area of Sunchild and EAS First Nations. There are 4 armed and dangerous individuals in the area of Sunchild and EAS First Nations. If you are on the Sunchild and EAS First Nations, immediately shelter in place. Report any suspicious activity to 911. Do not post details of police operations to social media. Do not approach any suspicious individuals. If you are not in the area, avoid the area. Visit and stay tuned to local media for updates. Visit the Alberta Emergency Alert website at http://www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca and stay tuned to local media for updates. This is an Alberta emergency alert. Ponoka RCMP have issued an armed and dangerous person alert for Ponoka County in Massachusetts. This alert is in effect for everyone within 20 kilometers of Township Road 422 and Range Road 245A in Ponoka County, including everyone in Massachusetts. There is an armed and dangerous suspect, last seen in the area of Township Road 422 and Range Road 245A in Ponoka County. RCMP are looking for 30-year-old Massachusetts resident Zachary Dylan Littlechild, described as 6 foot 3 inches tall, 250 pounds, brown hair with blonde tips, buzz cut, blue eyes, last seen wearing a black shirt and track pants. Littlechild is considered armed and dangerous. If seen, do not approach. Please call 911 immediately. If you have info on the whereabouts of Zachary Dylan Littlechild, call 911 anonymously with Crime Stoppers at 1-800-222-8477 or at tipsubmit.com.